Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to change your relationship status on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then simply come to your profile section. In your profile section, just tap at see your about information. Once you come to about information, you will have to scroll down a little bit and you will get the option of relationship. Just simply tap at this added or tap at this pencil icon and tap at added relationship. From here, you can just simply edit it, or you can change the category, whatever it is. According to your category, you can give other details, whatever these are. You knows better than me. Just simply from here, you can change the visibility. Once you're done with all of these things, just simply tap at save to save these changes. It will be just take a while. So here you can see we have just simply changed our relationship status on Facebook. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helped you guys. And if you have any question, just leave me in the comment section below, and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. And if you think that this video helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. And I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.